Welcome back. In this session, we will see when to decline an offer or when to walk away. Now let me give you an example. Have you ever gone to buy a car or any expensive product? So when you go there and the salesperson will show you all the features of that car or that particular thing, they're really excited, and while showing that amount they'll confidently say that amount. Now when you say that you're not interested in that amount, you had expected it to be little less, and you try to walk away. The moment you walk away, after certain time, then that person would say, no, please stay, we can discuss. Or else, they might call you in the evening, sir, please, I would request you to please visit us again. We'll definitely look what best we can offer. This is something that happens when we are going for shopping, right? Now when an interviewer is telling you to accept the bottommost range, see, if you're jobless and you require some funds for a short period of time, that is absolutely up to you. You can take this job, and because everybody has to run their house at the end of the day. If not, have guts to walk away when things are not appropriate. Why? Because you don't want to position yourself. Let's say you'll be in that position of bare minimum that is being given to you for a year or two. You're devaluing yourself, you're reducing your own value, and that is something we would not want to do. Purpose of this whole education, or this whole series of different videos, is not to accept what we have. If you are able to sustain yourself, do not accept what a company is giving you below your standards, or for that matter anything. Have your own standards. So you can walk away, and if interviewer really wants you, they'll contact you. Or else we would want to work with a company who values us as well, right? So we would be happy working with somebody who actually values us, who pays us for what we are deserving. So so walk away when it is being not done. So what is the bottommost amount? When we decided our expense, our monthly expense, our annual expense, anything that goes beyond that, below that amount, anything that goes below that amount, we should not accept it, and we should have that capacity to walk away. If we are lucky, the company would get back to us, but that is not always the case. So if you want to run your house, if you are in need, do join. However, if you can wait, please wait, or join an organization who values you, who's ready to pay you. Thank you.